detonator is indeed here with Day Trade Masters. People making insane gains with the detonator version 6 that has been released a couple of weeks ago. So go check out the Ultimate Trading course with bitcointav.com and get your copy of the detonator version 6. The only tool I basically look at and use. So welcome to all of you all around the world to the Day Trade Masters live call here on YouTube, right here on YouTube. So welcome to all of you who are watching, who's watching the recording, who's watching with me, and who is participating with me. So Day Trade Masters right here on bitcointav.com. I'm Nico, and I will be with you for the next 40 to 45 minutes. And we're going to learn a lot of new stuff today. So this is, I believe, number 6, the 6th edition of Trading with Day Trade Masters. People love it. People love the content. And thank you to all of you that also like the content with me. And with everyone that's supporting it, as well as everyone that's asking questions. So the chat channel is open right here live on YouTube. If you have any questions, let me know. Write a question there and I will then answer it. And yeah, welcome to all of you. I see there's already 6 people that joined us, lots of more people coming in, and lovely to see everyone on board with me. I just want to test my volume here. So the chat. Yeah, it's working. Great. So I just want to test my mic there and make sure everything is working. So today we're diving deep into what we are, Day Trade Masters, right here on bitcointav.com. What is Day Trade Masters? How it works? How does our charts work? How does our signals work? How does the signals in Day Trade Masters work? How do we read the charts? How do we trade a signal that has been posted by Corey in Day Trade Masters? So I'm going to go through the whole process of what we have when it comes to Day Trade Masters at bitcointav.com. So for all of you who do not know, DTM or Day Trade Masters has been around for a couple of years now with bitcointav.com, and it is a signal-based product. It only doesn't stop there. It's not just signals. You have a totally new revamped Telegram channel that is hugely gives you huge advantage when it comes to trading. Now, for all of you that love day trading, now we're talking about, say, a 4-hour, 2-hour to 4-hour type of time frame day trading. We even went a step further. We delved now deeper into the decentralized finance space. So yes, the DTM is not only on centralized exchanges anymore. We're now on decentralized exchanges, meaning we're looking at using wallets such as Rabby or MetaMask, and we trade on decentralized finances. And I think that's a first. So I'm going to go slowly through what we provide at Day Trade Masters, how it works, and you can also then just get your feet wet with it as well, because we have a Day Trade Masters public channel too, where Corey posts a almost weekly free trade setup. Yes, free trade setup. You can use that trade or that signal is posting, and you can go trade it for more profit on your side too. So just remember, this is not financial advice we provide here. It is what we trade at bitcointav.com. Our analysts trade, such as me, such as Corey Gardner, lead analyst trainer there at Day Trade Masters. We show you what we are trading, and you can then use it in your own strategy. So easy like that. So let's dive into, first of all, where do you find Day Trade Masters? First of all, you go to bitcointav.com. It's one of the products there. Then you subscribe. There is also currently an August Rust special running for, I believe, 6 months and for 12 months. You get a 15% discount and a 30% discount on the 12-month one. So go check it out. It is there on the website. I will go through it quickly if time permits. But yes, let's delve deeper into it. So what happens once you've now subscribed to Day Trade Masters? You are then receiving a Telegram channel. So you have to go log into Telegram, or you should join Telegram. Download the app if you do not have it yet. Telegram is very much, I don't want to say like WhatsApp, but it's a much more efficient and with a lot more tools that you can use It's consists of a lot of channels that you can have and communicate in these channels. Now, with Day Trade Masters in the Telegram channel, you get a signals-based group of channels. So it's not just one room or one signal-based group. We have lots of rooms underneath Day Trade Masters that you can access. So let's quickly delve into that. Let's go check out Telegram quickly. Let me just open Telegram from my side here. So as you can see, once you've subscribed, you get the Bitcoin Tab Day Trade Masters channel. And you then get a couple of rooms in this channel. So first of all, you'll see there's an analyst chat. There is a medium-term swing trades chat. There's a DeFi setups chat. And then there's also weekly video updates right here. And then we have a Day Trade Masters setups as well. So I'm going to quickly explain how it works. Now, analyst chat is where Corey Gardner, lead analyst of Day Trade Masters, chats with everyone. He pours his thoughts in here. He says what he's doing. He's looking at entering, what he's going to do. He's posting GIFs when he's getting excited and when things are happening in all the coins that he has out there. So it is a vast chat channel where the analyst chatting and important information is provided right here. So you can basically see what's going on in the mind of the analyst while he's trading. You also have pinned messages up here. Very, very important pinned messages. If you click on the pinned messages, you will get to free training for Day Trade Masters. So yes, all our Day Trade Masters subscribers get free training of how to trade, how to get in with trades, all those beautiful things. So medium-term swing trades is MTT reports. So for a limited time, you get the MTT reports of BitcoinTab.com with your Day Trade Master subscription. And in here, I post a lot of updates regarding the report, when the report is being launched, when it is posted, and that's like once a week. And I also give you my inputs of what MTT coins is running. In the next room, we have the DeFi setups. This is where Corey definitely go on decentralized finance exchanges using wallets, and he trades and gives his signals right here, and he interacts here as well. So new trades are posted like here, like this one right here. And then if a, say, target point has been reached, you will post it out. Like, so say, Aeon at a target point 2 year, 38% profit. Great profit margins in these decentralized coins that is trading. And also giving updates continuously in the DeFi setups channel. There's also pinned messages, crucial notes that you can go check out what he posts there. Then there's a weekly video update. Now, every Sunday, a weekly update is posted here for our members to go check it out, to go see. So you can just simply come here, click on that, and it will then play that video and the update for you. This is every Sunday. The analysts post an update here. And then we got the Day Trade Master setup. So Corey also posts a lot of his setups like Link, lots of coins that he's looking at, as well as when they reach target points here. So you can see, for instance, this one has target point 1, target point 2, target point 3. So lots of these great coins that's happening right here. So we got all these rooms that we use in Day Trade Masters that you can use and utilize, and that comes with your subscription. Now, not only that, we also believe in training. We also believe in training our subscribers correctly. So with your subscription, you get some free training as well. But let's quickly dive into that. So if I go to DTM training, with that, you get this page. Now on this page, there's lots of training that you can go through. Day Trade Masters Essentials, we call it. And in here, you will have lots of Medium posts. You will have lots of video tutorials. So Medium posts that you can go watch. You can see view article. The newest one is this comprehensive Day Trading Masters DeFi guide, which Corey has written. He goes into depth on how to trade on decentralized finance. And if everyone's confused or not know how to do it, this is the perfect guide for you to go check it out. It also got some video information, video tutorials embedded in this article. So great way to start looking at that. Also some other stuff like training videos that we have, complimentary training videos. We have DTM on YouTube, so you can go check out all our playlists, like the one we're currently doing. And we also have all training videos that you can check, all free training videos that you can go check out. And then all Day Trade Masters products and services that is connected together, like the Ultimate Trading course, UTC, the Ultimate DeFi course of Corey, that I really is a good choice to look at. We also, just putting it out there is an August Rush sale on the Ultimate DeFi course. So go please check out the public channel and Day Trade Masters public channel. I'll show you everyone where it is now on Telegram. And you can go and get 30% discount on this course. And then we also have our day trade setups, which is DTM, and all of the other beautiful stuff like the detonator indicator bot and the Ultimate DeFi course premium. So also question and answers if you have any Q&A section, if you have any questions right there. But yes, all our members have access to this beautiful training that we do provide with Day Trade Masters. So, but now people are like, decentralized finance, that sounds crazy, that sounds hectic. How do we do that? How do we get in with that? So with this training we provide, you first go through the training, and I'm just going to give you a little glimpse of what we mean by if we look at a DeFi type of coin or what we are trading. So looking at Shogun, this is one of the coins that we are definitely looking at, and these are AI agents on CreatorBit that we're looking at, and this is what we mean by DeFi finance, where we trade it. So what you do, basically, you will have like a wallet. We've got MetaMask. It's like a Rabi wallet that you can use. Okay, I see it doesn't show you on my flyout. But yeah, you got different extensions that you can install with your Google Chrome. And that will then work. And you can see here is a connect button. This button will then connect to your wallet that you're going to use to trade this. Now, Corey also shows us in that training of what wallet to trade where, how to use it, how to go about it. But this is the platform, as well as like create like a lot of platforms where we on this decentralized finance can trade some of these coins. So please just go through all that training that we provide, and you will be up and running in no time at all. So another thing, we recently had a Day Trade Master setup that hit target point 6. Now, for all newer people, a signal consists of a coin that we believe is a huge potential to run. We give you target points for it, target point 1, 2, 3, 4, up to 6 sometimes. We give you a stop loss level and we give you an entry level. So you have all of that info to your disposal. And I quickly want to go dive into what that looks like. So if we go to the day trade chart, we've got here 1 year that Corey posted to, and this is one that's definitely one that we can look at. Now this is an example of, say, the chart that we post in the Telegram channel together with all the information. So if I go up here, you will see this was the coin, triple V USDT. You will see there's an entry blue line. Now the entry blue line, if you scroll down, there's the entry blue line that was provided. Right there, 2.6. And there's also a second one, 2.664. We don't indicate that, but usually the zone that we're looking at, the entry zone right there. Then we have a stop loss level. This one was at 2.5, which you can see there's the red line, stop loss level right there. And then you can also see we've got sell points, or sell target points, if you want to say target points. So you can see there's a couple of them up to 6. They started at 2.77 up to 3.8, and this is what happened right here. Target point 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up to 6. You can see how beautifully this chart played out, and this happens a lot with Corey's calls. So there is huge potential in these coins, and this one exactly made up to 47%, ladies and gentlemen. 47%. Great day trade. Great day trade. And you can see here is all the information right here on TradingView. You can also see here there is a bit of rules that we provide with these charts. Study this chart, R&R, the risk and reward, and keep to your trading strategy. Wait for the entry zone. When in a trade, manage proper stop loss in case of market volatility. Use proper risk management, adjust stop loss as needed. So remember, also when we're trading Day Trade Masters, this stop loss is not set in stone. As we move up with the trend, we take the stop loss and we take it higher all the time. As the trend starts moving up, the stop loss moves up. And if you say here by target point 3, you can always put the stop loss, say, at target point 1. It gives you that good risk and reward management and risk and reward that you need. so that you do not get stopped out, or you say the trend turns around and you fall down, that you still end up in profit at the end of the day. Even with a stop loss that's quite high, say like target 0.6 and you have it by 5, that is still a good strategy that you can follow. So yes, that's what we mean. The stop loss is not set in stone. And make sure candles find support. Always take profit off the table. Highly, what we are doing here, Day Trade Masters, MTT, we always take profit off the table. Again, think about last week, what we talked about, risk management. That's one of the things we looked at. Always take profit off the table. And be aware of volatile wicks. So this is an example of what you'll get. This is now a very, very fresh trade that played out up to target 0.6. And very proud of this, made some great profit here. So you can also do the same, looking and taking what we have, using it in your own strategy and your own decisions as well. So that is Day Trade Masters. So I'm just going to jump quickly back here to my main Zoom view, and I'm quickly going to go into, let's see, let's go quickly there. I'm going to go to the home of bitcointaf.com. Let's quickly go back there. Let's quickly go back there. Which one is that? That one. So, looking at bitcointaf.com, if you go to products is here, and you can go to all products. Click on that, and you will then see Day Trade Masters is second here in the list. Now, this is where you will find Day Trade Master setup. So you click in there, and you can then basically go and subscribe in there. And you can also see here, you got a 30-day trial option, you got a 3-month access option, but you also have the 15% discount August rush sale, 6 months access, and also 30% discount on 12-month access. That's great value for money. And also remember, you are, for a limited edition or limited time, you're getting the MTT, Medium Term Trade Reports, are complimentary with your Day Trade Masters subscription. It's a great setup here that you can take advantage of. So we've seen, let me just also go back to that. With your subscription, you get a webinar each week too, a weekly webinar. We got the Sunday update that we post to you in the channel, but remember there's a live webinar each Wednesday too with myself and Corey Gardner on it, where we provide some inputs, we look at charts, we see where the market is currently standing, and also then answer questions for our subscribers. So remember, on Wednesdays we also have that set webinar, live webinar that we also look at. So in a nutshell, that is Day Trade Masters. And we've now decided to do this YouTube live and do some little tips and tricks, and this is what we've been doing for the past 6 weeks. But I thought today, let me dive deep and look at what Day Trade Masters actually is. What's the core of it? What's the core? What we do we provide with this signals, and so that you can just have a better understanding. Okay, let's just quickly see if there's any questions yet. I'm going to open there, quickly check. No questions yet. If there's any questions, please then in a live chat drop a question. Also, just a reminder to please go down and like and subscribe to the channel if you like this type of content. We'll love that, as well as put on the little alert bell. You will then be alerted of any new live shows that's going to be on here. We also have the onboarding each Monday and Friday with Keith. And he also has sometimes great special guests. So really worth it to go check it out. Past recordings is under the live section of YouTube. Go check it out. There's a lot of content there, as well as trading with Day Trade Masters. What we're doing right here, that's also underneath a playlist that you can go and enjoy all the other episodes that we have there. So please go and like and subscribe. Always love that people interact with us, and just tell us how they find us. And I think it's that time of the week where we're going to look at the chart pattern of the week. Yes, chart pattern of the week. So if you go to our product page again, you'll see there's a product called the Chart Pattern, or Bitcoin Trend and Forecast Ultimate Chart Patterns. It's a book that's regularly updated, where we got candlestick patterns, you got trading patterns, you got chart patterns, everything's included there, and it's regularly updated as we evolve with technology. We update this book all the time. So please go check it out on our products list, underneath our products list in bitcointap.com. I just took a sip there of my coffee quickly. And let's jump into the chart pattern of the week this week. Remember last week we looked at the doji, the neutral basic patterns. This week I want to look at the spinning top. The spinning top, this guy in the middle. And you can see there is a white candle and red candle, which means it's actually green and red. So you can get the spinning top in either green or red color. But how do you use and what does it actually mean? Now the spinning top, like the doji, is also a neutral type of candlestick pattern, meaning it gives us a point of indecision in the market. So anything neutral, basic, is an indecision point in the market when you look at the chart. So let's jump into trading view quickly and look at what we have here. So I'm just here an injective, just a plain chart. You can see the detonator's already on here. Beautiful detonator version 6. Can't live without it. Check it out in the ultimate trading course with bitcointap.com. You get it as part of the courseware, and you will have continue access to it with the ultimate trading course. So let's go check out. Let me just clear some of the estate here, real estate of the chart. And let's look at these candles quickly. So let's go search for a doji. Now, they're quite very prolific. They are all over the show because sometimes there's a lot of indecisions in the market. So my first one I can already spot here, right there. There's the doji right there. How do we know it is, not the doji, sorry, the spinning top. Spinning top. Remember, spinning top. Let's go back there. Spinning top. There we go. Not the doji. Spinning top. So how do we identify it? You will usually see a very long wick to the bottom, very long wick to the top, and you will also then see in the middle a small little body. So if you can look right here, that body can be green or red. So this is one that was right here that I'm pointing out right now. And let's quickly go to another one. Let's check out another one. Let's see if we can find a red one. Right, let's quickly see here. There's almost one there, but there's a little bit more to the bottom. And I'd like to see actually a green one. Oh yeah, here's another green one. You can say almost that is a spinning top right there. Now this happens usually when the trend is on top or basically at the bottom of a certain movement. And remember what I said, it's a neutral type of candle, so it does get to a point where it's a bit of indecision in the market. You'll see it forms, and I mean this is on 4 hour, but it forms up and then starts moving upwards, or it forms up and then moves downwards. So it always shows you that little bit of a halt. It's especially also in sideways movements. You can see there's also one here, a red one again. It's almost mostly you see these ones in a sideways movement as well. So spinning tops are quite all over the show. Lots of indecision sometimes in the market when it points up. It just gives us that idea that there is still a bit of hesitation in the market, still deciding, buying and selling. Is it going up? Is it going down? Is it just a little bit neutral for sideways moves? And then again, I always use the detonator version 6 to tell me exactly where we are in the market. So what I now do is I use the detonator confluence here of what it tells me, as well as what the candlestick pattern, the spinning top, is saying. So now I know, okay, spinning top forming, a little bit of indecision. I can see on the detonator here, green dot buy, crossing on C, above our blue line, and boops, there it was, a nice little, I believe that's a 14% right there on a day trade. So spinning top worked beautifully together in confluence with our detonator version 6. So that's how we do it. That's how we do it in Day Trade Masters. We use the indicators, you use the technical analysis, and remember, all the technical analysis and indicators you use is what we teach in the Ultimate Trading course. That's the only thing we teach you. That's the only thing we, myself and Corey, uses here with our DTM and MTT products too. So guys, I think that is it. Thank you for joining me. I just want to check, is there any questions? No questions. Everyone is happy. Great. Thank you so much for all the views. Please go and like and subscribe to our YouTube channel so you can have all the updates too each week as well. So basically that is all from me, from Nico. So have a great week further. Safe trading, safe risk management, and we'll see each other next week again. Keep well, guys. Bye-bye.